Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section simply tap on the apps. Now let's tap on see all 40 apps, of course 40 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset the preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, any permission restrictions, and the battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so it is 100% safe. So let's simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Google device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.